Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome to all the honorable dignitaries, respected principal ma'am, esteemed faculty members, beloved seniors, and of course, my equally confused and excited fellow batchmates. It is truly an honor and a moment of great joy for me to stand here today and speak on behalf of the freshers. This day holds a special place in our hearts. Stepping into this prestigious institution marks not just the beginning of a new chapter, it's a beginning of a new era. A chapter that promises learning, growth, late-night study breakdowns, and lifelong memories. Hopefully, more memories than breakdowns, finger crossed. As we walked in here with dreams in our eyes and hope in our hearts, and let's admit, a little nervousness too. But the warmth and the love which we have been welcomed had already begun to turn this unfamiliar place into something that feels like home. To our wonderful seniors, thank you for organizing this beautiful day and for welcoming us with warmth and joy. You are not mentors in academics, but guides in college life too. We look forward to learning from your experiences, your challenges, and your success stories. To our respected teachers, we feel extremely lucky to be under your guidance. Your knowledge, patience, and encouragement will be the foundation which we will build our future. Thank you for being the guiding lights will help us to discover our true potential. And to my fellow freshers, let's embrace this opportunity with open hearts and determined minds. Let's not just aim for an academic success, but strive as kind, courageous, and capable individuals. Let's lift each other, celebrate each other's wins, and walk through both triumphs and trials. Today, it's not just about celebration, it's a day of gratitude. Gratitude for being the part of this vibrant family. Gratitude for the chance to dream big and grow together. We look forward to creating unforgettable memories, building lifelong friendships, and facing new challenges, and most importantly, discovering who we truly are. Thank you all for making us feel so welcomed. Here's to new beginnings, boundless possibilities, and unforgettable journey ahead. And for this new journey, I have quoted something in Urdu, and it goes like this. अर्ज किया है, नया रास्ता है, नया हौसला साथ होगा. ज़मीन पर राह होगी और सपनों का आसमान होगा. मुस्कान होगी होठों पर, चाहे कठिन हो सफ़र कितना भी, क्योंकि अब हर शुरुआत से नई रोशनी का इरादा होगा. थैंक यू.